Okay, welcome back to our channel, Seven More Life and Digital Delights. Today I will share with you how I do my videos online, how I do recording on Zoom to have it available for posting on YouTube. So there is this other picture of Zoom that makes it available for virtual meetings. I will share that part of the picture as well with you. So let's dive right into it and see how best you can effectively utilize Zoom for your virtual training or recording videos for edition when you want to upload on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or many others similar social media platforms. Okay, let's dive straight into it. So firstly, when you log on to Zoom Online, it will get you to the home page. So when you're on the home page, you can first of all, you can either log on Zoom with the app, Zoom app, if you have it installed in your phone or laptop, or you can have it, you can use Zoom directly online on the web. So there are two options for you to follow to use Zoom. So you can use it online, like I said, or you can use it from your phone if you have it downloaded and installed in your phone. So first of all, this is the new meeting feature, which I normally use for recording the videos online. So this is the one I use every time. So we'll dive into it in the upcoming slides to see how best you can maneuver while you're under this tab. Okay, this is where you have this more for recording video as well as audio. So there are audio features that keep tracks of the video as you go. So when you download, you will have a file that has the video as well as the audio. This is the join. And under the join tab, we have opportunities, so place for you to go to join as a participant of the virtual meeting. So this is a picture that you can use if you want to join in a virtual meeting. So if we have people, participants anywhere across the world, maybe one from PNG, Australia, one from US, coming together, or one from another province in the country, you will use this. If a link or invite was sent to you, you have to join here. So you have to join with the email address or with a meeting ID here. And this one is being used to schedule an upcoming Zoom meeting. So if you are going to host a meeting as a host, you will send invites via email or phone number to participants through this tab here. And here is where you want to share the screen with other participants if you are the host. If you are co-hosting, this will be a suitable feature for you to use to share your presentations or the meeting contents with other participants of the virtual meeting. So, but for now, we'll be on this feature of the app, Zoom app. So we'll go, like I said, I've mentioned join. So join, I've briefly touched on that from the previous slide. So this is where you have the join feature meeting. So if they send you meeting ID to your email, then you enter that ID or you copy it from your email, paste it here. You enter the name, your name, and then you go click join here to get into the meeting. And then at the same time, there's this schedule. Like I said already, you will see the time you're supposed to attend the meeting, and then it will give you alerts on the email. So if you're going in as the host, then you have to put in the name of the invitees, all the participants you want to be in the meeting to go under here. And then save it and it will send an invite to the participants or people you want to invite for the meeting. Okay, and that's the share tab. Like I said, if you have meetings, contents you want to share, or if you're hosting with another host for a meeting or for a virtual training, then this would be the feature that you go for when going online to use Zoom. So basically, the same technique or the same features like in other virtual apps, including WhatsApp, WebEx. So get yourself familiar with the app that is suitable for you, suitable to your context, to how best you want your trainings or your virtual meetings to be conducted, and make use of the apps available. Like I said, WhatsApp as well as WebEx, Microsoft Teams. Other general tips and for you to know before you go online. In PNG, you have to have good internet speed, like I always say, good internet speed of 50 MB per second or, more. At the same time, you have to be available to conduct everything under one place and put everything together, so you won't rush into putting stuff that is not relevant to your context while recording online. So this is basically everything I want to put. Also, one reminder: make sure to have your mic on when you're hosting. You have to have your mic on. But if you are participating as a participant, you mute your mic so it won't produce background noise to other participants as well as the host. So thank you again for watching our videos. We hope you make use of our videos, find them informative, and solve their problems for using virtual apps. We hope to find you in another one of those videos. Like and subscribe to our videos and help grow our channel. And we hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.